New Haven officials say that on average, the city typically sees about 2 fatal overdoses per week. So this is a very worrying increase and one that's bringing together several different groups to try to address it. 12 fatal overdoses in less than 2 weeks in New Haven. Officials believe these cases involve crack cocaine that may have been laced with fentanyl.
We are waiting for laboratory confirmation, but certainly are concerned that they are laced. What we are finding and have found is that more than 90% of the drugs in the community are laced with fentanyl and have fentanyl products.
A concerning fact that points to just how prevalent the deadly substance is in our communities.
This is actually a scary uptick. The reason being, in the past, it's always been fentanyl with pressed pills, a pill made to mimic something else. Now we're seeing it, which is where the uptick is coming from, in cocaine, crack cocaine. It's a whole different ballgame now.
The city of New Haven says in response to the uptick, it's working with community organizations to provide harm reduction resources. That involves handing out Narcan, educating people about what an overdose looks like, directing people to resources and treatment, and encouraging people who do use drugs to have them tested.
Be able to test your drugs with no questions asked so that they can know what they're consuming and be able to protect themselves.
For Cameron is an organization made up of people who have lost loved ones to an overdose or have a loved one in recovery. Promoting safe usage is one of their biggest efforts.
If you're going to use, which people are going to do, use with somebody. Have somebody with you. Have naloxone with you, Narcan. Don't be afraid to use it.
They're also dedicated to breaking the stigma around addiction.
It's not just an issue for people that do have mental health and pre-existing drug addiction issues. It's across the spectrum.
With the goal of saving lives.
We do not take this lightly, and when we are sharing data, it is not just about a number. It is about an individual, family and friends and neighbors who are suffering right now, and we are in this together as a community.
For more information on some of the resources available, head to our website, fox61.com. In New Haven, Gabby Molina, Fox 61 News.